Let us continue the exercise E. Rewrite these sentences after correcting the errors. Means here given the incorrect sentence, we have to write the sentences after correcting the errors. Errors means there are mistakes in the sentences. We have to rewrite them correctly. See the first, I goes to school every day. Here is the sentence. In this sentence there is a error. You have to find out. Did you understand what is the error there? See, here goes. If the first person is there, we should not add yes or yes to the action word. The answer will be I go to school every day. Here is the first person I, so we should not add to the action word. We cannot add yes or yes to the action word. So goes here, yes added in this action word, it is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence, I go to school every day. Let us continue second. Let us see the second question. The plane arrived at 9 a.m. The answer is there. What is the mistake? Did you understand? See, the plane arrives. Is the plane, it is a single. One plane is only, so we have to add yes or yes to the action word. We are adding here yes. The plane arrives at 9 a.m. Okay, this is the correct sentence. This is also third. She brushes her teeth 3 times a day. Answer, she brushes her teeth 3 times a day. Here third person, he, she, it. After that we should have to add yes or yes to the action word. Main verb is brush, so we have to add here yes as per given the tense. She brushes her teeth 3 times a day. Next, fourth, Imran never play football. The correct answer, Imran never plays football. Imran is here the person, singular person, so we have to add here yes to the action word. So this is the correct sentence. Imran never plays football. Priya. Next, Priya do her homework in the evening. Okay, Priya do her homework in the evening. The correct answer, Priya does. See in this sentence, in the above sentence we have added yes to the action words Imran, or if there is person's name Imran or maybe Priya, we have to add yes to the action word or yes. So here does, yes we have added. So Priya does her homework in the evening. Continue. Sixth, the baby cry at night. Answer, the baby cries at night. No one like Rahul, he pushed everyone while getting into the bus. Answer, no one likes, no one, it is one person. Nobody means no one means nobody likes Rahul. He pushes everyone while getting into the bus. We are adding yes to the action word and yes here. Keep to your mind. Next, she study at night. Answer, she studies. Main verb is study. So as per the rule, in simple present tense we have to add yes or yes to the action word. She studies at night. Okay, did you get me? Let us continue. Punctuation we have to learn here. We are going to learn apostrophe for possession. What is apostrophe? See, let us see. An apostrophe is used with a noun to show possession, to tell us that something belongs to somebody. For example, did you understand? Apostrophe used with a noun to show possessions. Someone's belong to. Tells us something. Some things belong to someone or somebody. See the example. Jack's yard. Here Jack's apostrophe given. Jack is the noun. Adding yes, see, with a noun to show possession. Apostrophe is used with a noun to show possession. Apostrophe, this is called apostrophe. Okay, this is called apostrophe used with a noun to show the position. What is here? Jack's yard. Means the yard means here in front of the house there is a place is called yard. The yard that belongs to Jack. Where is the Jack making snowman? In his yard. Yard means Jack's belong to, yard that belongs to Jack. Next, Nico's snowman. Jack's snowman. We can say, you can say also Jack's snowman. Rahul's, another example, Rahul's notebook. Rahul's notebook. Yes, you can do it. Giving means it is this notebook is belongs to Rahul's. It is Rahul's notebook. The snowman belongs to Jack. Nico's snowman. The snowman belongs to Nauko. Okay. The highlighted words are called possessive pronoun. These highlighted words are called possessive pronoun. Did you understand? Let us see the exercise. Rewrite the sentences after inserting the missing apostrophe where required. Where required. Where to give here or insert or add. We have to insert here apostrophe. We have to add apostrophe in these sentences wherever necessary. See, Anjana's work is quite neat. Where should we give the apostrophe? Could you tell me? Yes, Anjana's. Here main verb noun is Anjana. After that we have to give apostrophe. See the sentence answer. Anjana apostrophe, yes. Anjana's work is quite neat. Full stop. All of you have to write the sentence in your notebook with the correct answer like this. Rohit's project was excellent. So answer Rohit's apostrophe project was excellent. Next, that man's wallet has fallen from his pocket. Answer here. That noun is here man, so we have to add here man's wallet has fallen from his pocket. Okay, next, I love my mother's cooking. The answer see here. I love. Where should we give the apostrophe? After the noun. Which is the noun here? Mother. I love my mother's apostrophe, yes, mother's cooking. Next, fifth. Yesterday I went to my dad's office. Answer. Yesterday I went to my Dad's, which is the noun here? Dad. After that we have to give a apostrophe. Dad's office with a full stop. Last one is Raghu's dog is Doberman. Answer Raghu. Which is the noun here? Raghu. We should have to give the apostrophe. Raghu's dog is, what is the name? Raghu's dog? Doberman. Raghu's dog is Doberman. Here apostrophe given the after the noun. So we should add apostrophe and yes. Let us continue. Writing corner. In this writing corner, we are going to learn poster making. Here, today we are going to learn here poster making. How to make a poster with advertise and announcement. See this picture, all of you? Okay. Now continue. What is poster? A poster is a card that carries an announcement or advertisement. Means with the help of this poster or card, we can add our advertise and we can announce here to show our poster or we have to show our announcement. See this. Read the sample poster and notice the labels. This is also notice, one type of notice and announcement. Design a poster for a Holi Mela. Organize in your neighborhood. We have to make a sample poster as the given notice and labels and design our poster for on which occasion? Holi Mela. And where are you organize this Holi Mela? In your neighborhood. Means you have to mention date, time and advertise. You have to announce there. Which purpose are you making this poster? Give the heading. Then where is this Holi Mela is going to arrange? Place. Venue means here place. Mention the mention the date and next date and time you have to mention here. And you have to write special attraction. What is the special in this function? What is the lots of excitement there? So we have to write a special attraction, colorful performance. See, with the pictures they have explained here. They have shown the picture. Second, traditional Nag Morung exhibition. Traditional archeries. You can see the traditional archery. Traditional Nag Morung exhibition. Nag King chili eating contest. Here is also contest, competition has arranged. So much functions have arranged. So like this we have to make a poster, sample posters for the Holi Mela. Okay. Now we are going to make a sample poster about Holi Mela. See this.